Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious pickled bell peppers. We'll start by gathering all our fresh ingredients, including vibrant bell peppers, vinegar, water, salt, sugar, and your favorite pickling spices. Next, we'll prepare the peppers by washing, coring, and slicing them into uniform strips. Finally, we'll sterilize our canning jars and lids to ensure a safe and successful pickling process. Now, let's create the perfect pickling brine. You'll want to combine equal parts of vinegar and water in a saucepan. For every cup of liquid, add 1 tablespoon of pickling salt and 2 tablespoons of sugar. This ratio creates a balanced flavor. Don't forget to incorporate your favorite spices, such as garlic cloves, dill sprigs, or mustard seeds, to infuse your peppers with wonderful taste. With your brine ready, it's time to pack those beautiful bell peppers. Tightly arrange the sliced peppers into your sterilized jars, ensuring they are snug but not crushed. Carefully pour the hot brine over the peppers, making sure to leave about 1/2 inch of headspace at the top. Use a non-metallic utensil to remove any trapped air bubbles. Then wipe the jar rims clean and secure the lids finger-tight. The final step is crucial for safe preservation. Carefully place your filled jars into a boiling water bath canner, ensuring they are fully submerged. Process them for 10 minutes to create a proper seal. After processing, remove the jars and let them cool undisturbed on a clean towel for 24 hours. Once cooled, check for a good seal. Then store your delicious pickled bell peppers in a cool, dark place for up to 1 year.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.